I am Soundar Kumar, Director from Center for Development of Telematics. It is a premier R&D organization, Government of India, doing the telecommunication research and development activities.
So you can just tell about, you have been a key speaker in this conference, and you can tell something about Gnana Sangama, what you feel about the conference.
Really, I am very happy that you people have taken a wonderful initiative, basically bringing the universities and this academia and as well as some of the eminent speakers from various industries, and they could share the practical knowledge as well as what is the requirement of the industries or this ICT. They are very well appreciated, and most of the people are coming together, sharing their knowledge, expertise, which is a wonderful activities initiative you people have taken.
So in this conference you have seen policy makers, bureaucrats, and also from industry and academic. So there has been a lot of deliberation, and now there are many takeaways. You can mention them, and how do you want them to be implemented or see on the ground?
No, first of all, the feedback from all the universities, the basic infrastructure to be developed, and second thing is the students should be given a wonderful opportunity to participate in a low cost manner. So these two things can be implemented through the policy makers, and government have to initiate. One is a skill development, another is the infrastructure development in the universities or colleges. If these two things are clubbed together, then it is a wonderful initiative, and it is the planners and the implementer or government agencies should come forward. This is the right time that they have to implement this project in a larger scale manner.
You have identified the issues or the requirement or lacuna. Can you tell us what CDOT is doing in few points?
Yeah, in CDOT basically we are taking care of the infrastructure, that is connecting various data centers or various places through our broadband connectivity. In India, we are taking care of this broadband connectivity through BharatNet. That is, all the 6 lakh villages will be connected through this BharatNet, so that every village will be having a broadband connectivity, and from the village to the urban, everything will be connected, and all the services will also be provided through this broadband. That is a wonderful initiative by Government of India, and it is going to be a great success also. That we are developing all the products required for connecting from village to the urban. All the equipments are developed, deployed, and serviced by our technology, CDOT technology.
Thank you for your input, sir.
Thank you.